Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Rashid Javed Moini. I'm a student of BCS-4. We are making this video to showcase our implementation of our project for software engineering and concept. That is our core course of this semester. This is the assignment number 4 of this course. I have done the Figma of mobile and web and also implemented some screens for the mobile application. Due to some error, I won't be able to show my application, but I will show the design and links through Figma, which is similar to the original application. I will also upload my project files on GitHub, and I have already shared the link of that project in the Word file. And I will also share the APK file of the mobile application, which I have created. And but as I've told you, due to some error, the XML file on the Android Studio is not opening up on my end, and it was working before, but it's not working. But I will try to resolve that issue before coming up for the Viva. So but the design in the Figma is the exact replica of the original application. So in the first screen, I ask the user to enter their first name, last name, email address, and their phone number, their password. And I also ask the user to re-enter their password just in case if they mistype something or anything. And once they've done with all of this, they will click the create account button. Now once they've created their account, it will show the menu of the application, which is the basic main menu. In this menu, seven buttons will show up. The first one will be track location, which will track the location of their child. The security button, the chat button, settings, history, about us, and the sign out button, which will allow them to sign out from the application. Now, we were supposed to do one major and one minor module, and we chose user profiling as the one minor module and security as one major module. Now, in the security, once you select the security button, you can see five different buttons. You can either call security, add security services, edit details, view details, and you can add the rating for the security services. This module was created for the parents to add the security services, and which will help them in case of any emergency or anything. So once you click this call security button, four buttons will show up to you: call police, call ambulance, call fire brigade, select favorite security services. Now in the select favorite security services, you can pre-select and favorite them into your in your application. Some of the security services that you like before and you'd want to use them in the future, you can add them as your favorite, and you don't have to keep searching for that security service again. You can just go into select favorite security services and just pre-select that. So once you call the call police button, you can see two text fields basically. In the first text field, you can enter the emergency details that your child is in or anything, uh, which will uh, uh, which will help clarify the situation for the security services. And in the second text field, you can add additional details like the color of the child's clothes, the any accessory that he is wearing, anything distinct that will allow them to find their child or anything. So and another button is given on the bottom, which is to send the child's location. It will once if you click this button, it will send the location of your child. It will send the location of your child to the security services. So it's up to you if you want to send the child's location or you want to add it in the text above. But we would prefer it if the parent would send their child's location. Now, once you click the confirm button, a prompt will show up, which will say that your details have been sent. And once you click OK, you can it just goes back to the previous menu. So we've also added some basic back buttons, which will go to the previous menus. And once you sign out for the press the sign out button, a sign in screen will show up. Now, the sign-in screen is the basic sign-in screen, which is everywhere. Uh, it will allow you to enter your email or password, and if you want to sign in with your Facebook or Google, you can do that also. And if you forget your password, you can reset your password using your phone number and your email password. So that's about it from me. I will now ask my other group partner, Shariar Khan, to share his screen and show us about the web development of this project.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahriyar Khan. I am Arshik's group partner on the Track My Child application, and I have done the web portion of this article. I'm now sure. I'm now showing you my side of the project. I've done implementation in Sigma. I've created the screens Figma, but it's pretty similar to the UI I've created on React.js as well. So I'm just going to be showing you the implementation of my application of my web application on React.js. As you can see, first of all, uh, when the application starts up, there should be welcome to Track My Child application screen, but I've currently not created that screen yet. I will create that screen when I go to present the final demo for my application. But for now, it starts with the sign up form, which contains uh, the track the tracker ID of the chip that is inside of the child's clothing. That will also have to be added, and then finally there's the create your account button, which is a material UI button, which is I've also tried to add a smooth transition to it so that which you can see. Then we've also got the header of the application, which has the home, about us, features, and FAQs buttons. There's also a search bar for if you want to, which is actually useful for the main page of the application, which if you have to search any specific location, but it can also help you find the services or the features of the application. Now let's move on to unfortunately I could now let's move on to the next login screen. Unfortunately, I could not introduce React routing to my application. I tried to do it, but there was some error that prevented the application from routing to one page to another. So for now, I have to add the pages manually. So let's just do that. This is the login page. Yes. Let me just do this manually. This is the login page that shows up after you've signed up and created your account. You will have to log in again with your email and password that will be provided to that you will be provided that you will create after you created your account. Then there's a login button, which is again very I've created from Material UI, along with the icons I've used in the header and the sidebar, which you will see in the next screen. All of these are Material UI, which is a React library which I have used for this application. After the login screen, we will now move on to the main page of the application, which consists of the sidebar and body of the application. Let me save this. This is what you see when you successfully log in. The map, the key for the map, which contains the favorite location, restricted locations, and the frequently visited or most visited locations. The sidebar, which contains the track location module, security module, the rating system or feedback system, the chatting system with the child, the settings, and history. Uh, the, for now, I will link this to the Google Maps API, but for now it's just I've just added a background picture. But I will link this to the Google Maps API in the future so that I can show you a fully responsive map. And But for now, we've only created the